Hello, it's Jerry with Amber Marie and Company. Welcome to Amber Marie Manor Kitchen. Today we are going to make something really good. It's called crack corn dip. Crack because you can't stop eating it, and corn dip because it has corn in it. It's a great snack for Super Bowl anytime you need a really good dip, and it is fabulous. You're gonna love it. Don't forget, smash that subscribe button and follow along in our journey. Also, go to Facebook and like Amber Marie Manor on Facebook and on Instagram. Let's look at the ingredients real quick. We've got 3 cans of the MexiCorn. We've got 7 ounces of chopped green chilies, a jalapeno, a half a cup of green onions, a teaspoon of pepper, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 16 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese, a cup of mayo, and a cup of sour cream. That's it. It's going to be so good and so easy to make. You're going to whip this up in no time. We're so glad you're right back here at our channel with us. I am excited to have you here. Everybody has been asking for more recipes, so we're going to start doing a few more recipes. I was so excited to hear how many people made my hot chocolate dip and how many made my salad and just all the recipes. It's so much fun to share recipes with you. I love to cook. It's a great dip to serve with Fritos. You could have it with celery, green pepper strips, red pepper strips, carrots, whatever you want to have. But Fritos, you know, that's going to be the best. And everybody in my family loves a lot of different dips. Like when we're sitting around, we don't make just one, we make several. So I thought, well, why don't we try this one for this weekend, because everybody loves it. And you want to make something everybody loves and then maybe throw in an experimental one to see if they'll love it. We're gonna make this dip. It's gonna be delicious and you're gonna love it. We're starting with our MexiCorn. We've got 3 cans of it and we're going to drain it. The recipe says drain it really well. So I poured it into my strainer here and I'm pressing the water out because we don't want a runny dip. We want a nice, thick, good, gooey dip. That's what we're doing right now. I'm going to add my green chilies and drain them also. My recipe calls for 7 ounces of green chilies and I have 2 4-ounce cans. So I'm going to use 1.5 cans. If you want it a little more spicy, go ahead, be my guest. My husband doesn't like it too spicy, so I've got to be a little careful there. Everybody else in the family likes it spicy. But, you know, you got to please the old man sometimes. So we're going to use 1.5 cans, and I'm going to drain it into my drainer, my sink top drainer. I love this thing. Okay, that looks good. I love green chilies. What about you? Ooh, I think they're so good. I've already grated 16 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. Now you say, why are you grating that? Just go buy it shredded. You can in a pinch. When you see it in the package, it has little white flakes on it. That means it's gonna be dry. And I don't want dry cheese. I want creamy, gooey cheese that sticks to my corn and sticks to my Frito. So I went ahead and grated my cheese. It's in here. And I've also already chopped 1/2 cup of green onion. Now we're going for the good stuff, the jalapeno. We're going to chop up some jalapeno. It calls for 6 ounces of jalapeno, which is about 1/2 cup. I'm going to chop it up pretty small because my husband doesn't like it too spicy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slice little like this on my jalapeno so that when I chop it, it'll make smaller pieces. I didn't start at the seed area because that's where the heat is. Chop it up real fine. I'm going to taste it, see how hot it is. It's not that hot. It tastes like a little bit of a spicy green pepper. Okay, we're going to cut some more We don't want any of the seeds in there. I like jalapenos because I'm from Texas. Tell me, do you like jalapeno? Smells so good. I wish you could smell this. Like I said, you could take this dip, cut up some green peppers and eat it off of that if you're trying to cut back and not eat too many chips. Okay, that looks good to me. I'm going to add it to my bowl. Right here, I've got the cheese, I've got the onion, and I'm going to add the peppers. There we go, look at that. I hope you can see that. All right, next, some sour cream. It calls for 8 ounces. It calls for a cup of sour cream and a cup of mayonnaise. I always use Hellmann's mayonnaise. That's always been my favorite. I just like it so much. It's just good stuff, I think. Don't you just love this kitchen? It's so light. I love cooking in here. I love the butcher block top. I love everything about this kitchen. Let's go for the mayonnaise. It's a cup of mayonnaise also. When I was a kid, my mother always used Miracle Whip. And then we discovered mayonnaise, and that was the end of Miracle Whip. Miracle Whip's just sweeter. You know, I know that a recipe is important. However, you don't have to follow it exactly when you're making something like this. Like if you wanted to finish out your jar, do it. I'm sure that would fill it in nicely. So here's our cup of mayonnaise right here. A cup of sour cream, a cup of mayonnaise. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. Everybody's gonna want seconds. I don't know about you, but garlic powder, just put it in everything and it makes everything better. I love garlic. Half a teaspoon of garlic. I'm just going to shake it around. We might sprinkle some more in. Teaspoon of pepper. I love pepper. I have to have pepper on a lot of things. My grandmother loved pepper. My grandmother was Czech, and she made the best sausage in the world. Oh my gosh, it was so good, her homemade sausage. And it had a lot of pepper in it. Okay, we've got the mayonnaise, sour cream, we've got the garlic, the pepper, green onion, the cheese, and the jalapeno. So you want to mix it really, I got to put the corn in, but wait, I'm going to mix this first. Mix all those ingredients really good. You don't want to bite into just a big old mayonnaise or a big old blob of cheese and not get anything else in. We're going to add the corn now and the green chilies. This is going to make a lot of dip. There we go. Oh, of course we have to have scoops. You ready? I'm ready. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, that's good. That's why it's called crack. If you feel like you didn't get it drained enough, don't worry. The cheese will absorb some of that liquid, so it'll be okay. You just don't want it real runny. I hope you love this recipe. Let me know in the comments if you tried it and if you're going to make it again and again and again. Thanks for watching. See you later.